Hello friends, greetings from windy Iceland, volcanic Iceland. There is a volcano behind my back. I got to the top of a big mountain here. Actually not quite, I didn't make it, but almost on the top. And a really nice view. As you see, we have a volcano behind the mountain here. Things are going on. Lava is shooting up. Wow, look what we see here. It's a real show. The only thing is a crazy wind here. It's a kind of not very convenient with this wind to be here. And the climb up was not easy as well. So see, lava is advancing there. It's going into Meradalir, this huge valley over there. Like it's mainly new lava actually. Most of this here is a new lava. It's just going over it. But this one here is old. It's very steep here. Won't get out. It will get out in the end there. You will see it in my drone video. I made the drone video in the other end, and you will see the terrain very well where the lava is going to spill over. But this is the view today on August 12th. We have a crater which is growing in size. Actually, two craters. There is a baby crater here to the front, and the big one. Well, actually, it's a double vent inside. You see, there are two vents encircled by this big wall, which has an opening to the front, but it's almost closed now. If last time we had only half a cone, now we have a full cone, almost a real mountain. That's how volcanoes are formed in Iceland. They start from fissures and then they build up into mountains like this, as you see behind. That is Fagradalsfjall, which erupted last year. It's about 1.5 kilometers to this mountain. Fagradalsfjall volcano from previous year is about 1.5 kilometers from this one. Just behind you see it. And then we had also eruption over there. You see the northern cone. When Fagradalsfjall started last year, we had eruption in spring from this cone as well. It lasted about 1 month. But then it concentrated in that cone. I'll move it there. So now we have it here. It's like sort of a continuation of previous year's eruption. And then we have another volcano here. We call it Skrændsskjöldur. This is the cone of that volcano. It erupted 14,000 years ago and lava flooded 120 square kilometers. It was the biggest eruption in Reykjanes peninsula from this volcano, which is also pretty close to where we have eruption now. It's kind of like maybe 3 kilometers or something. Skrændsskjöldur. Very windy here, my friends, my hands are freezing. As you know, my friends, I will make one more trip to the volcano. It will be on Monday, and on Tuesday night I will go to Italy and Croatia to get a bit to heat up, to get warmer. It's too cold here, you know, it's just freezing on the mountain here. So we have to go to this house for a few days to warm up. So the plan is to go to Venice for 2 days and 6 days in Croatia. I've never been there, just curious about that country. We found very cheap tickets and we will spend 8 days abroad. But I have a person who will come here a few times and film during those 8 days the updates. You will know what is going on. So, but still, I'll come here on Monday. Today you will see many videos from today, what is going on here. see. So 120 square kilometers had been flooded by lava from this volcano. Shrines shield, Shrines skulder. So keep that in mind. We can have a huge eruption here. At least there is a potential, but maybe it will be like last year. Maybe just for 6 months, very likely to be. Because it's a kind of in a suffocating valley, like surrounded by mountains. It's a not good place to develop for this volcano, being in this bathtub, but you never know. Only God knows. See how lava is moving here. See, is rolling down like animals' feet, like paws of some monster advancing slowly moving forwards. Here is the first paw, second, third, 3 feet are moving forwards, and you see it's coming from this platform, from the volcano in a river. Anyway, my friends, I'm getting too cold in my hands, so I have to escape from here. I wish you all the best.